360-degree sound, the way life and now music are meant to be heard. This is the OE Mars 1. Designed to fit into and enhance every space, the Mars 1 audio system has been engineered to complement and improve your quality of living. An advanced device that fills your life with high-fidelity music rather than filling up your home with expensive clutter. No longer must you tolerate cumbersome traditional HiFi systems, nor endure other wireless speakers' mediocre sound quality. The Mars 1 has been meticulously engineered to provide comparable sonic fidelity to devices twice its size and 3 times its price. Numerous technical advancements, such as a 360-degree omnidirectional ribbon tweeter, the 360-degree median speaker, a newly designed long-stroke woofer, and a high-power digital amplifier were employed to achieve these uncompromising results. The Mars 1 is also easily controlled with your phone when a quieter approach is needed. Multiple connectivity options, paired with cutting-edge technology that brings you lossless audio, gives you the best sound, no matter your music streaming service. And a 4-layer piano lacquer finish ensures that the Mars 1 will be a beautiful addition to your home. Bring the highest quality 360-degree audio experience into your home by backing us today. Thank you.
Hi, do you know printmaking? Printmaking is a very old but beautiful and fascinating technique that you can use for art or your illustrations, and to make things like business cards, greeting cards, or what about this phone case? All of these prints are handmade, and for me the actual process of printing is probably the most fun thing. But the main problem with printmaking is that you need to have a big and heavy press, like the one in the background. Otherwise you can't do these techniques. This is our old etching press. She's quite the old lady, she's also very heavy and super expensive, and that's the main reason why people don't have access to such a machine. But we have come up with a solution for that and designed this. This is the Open Press project. It's the first fully functional 3D printed printing press specifically designed to make these techniques accessible. After building lots of prototypes and testing them and, well, eventually breaking them, going back and redesigning them, we have published this fully functional one as open source. That means that people from all over the world print these now, and it makes me very happy to see them pop up all over the place. We want to take this a step further and not only make this accessible to people that have a 3D printer or 3D printing skills, but to actually everyone. And that is the reason why we are doing this Kickstarter now. You do not only escape the hassle of actually printing one of these presses yourself, you will also get an improved and more durable version because we replaced some of the parts with metal parts. Also, it's going to come fully assembled, so you can use it right out of the box. And after you have your press, you can immediately start printing by using some of the more traditional techniques and materials such as zinc or copper, but you can also use something like CDs or juice boxes. And these recycled materials are not only cheap and easy to get access to, but they produce beautiful results as well. First, you start by scratching your artwork into the plate, and after that you can put ink on top. You then wipe the surface clean while the ink stays in the grooves. And after that, you can put damp paper on top and roll it through the press. The rollers push the paper into the inked up grooves of the plate so that the paper can pick up these marks and give you a nice artwork. It's then time for the most satisfying moment of printing because you can now lift the print and reveal your artwork. Whether you 3D print your own etching press or if you join this Kickstarter, we're very happy to have you on board.
40-pack of bottled water. Right, that'll be 6 litres of oil, 4 kilograms of carbon, and 2 dead turtles, please.
Wouldn't it be nice if we all knew the greater cost of the goods we buy? Mother Nature usually pays the price, but rumor has it, she's getting low on resources. Well, here is the solution, my friend. Meet the best water filter you've ever laid eyes on. Not only will this give you great tasting water without the nasties, but it features a revolutionary refillable cartridge that saves tons of plastic waste compared to the rest. What a no-brainer! Other brands claim to reduce plastic waste, but they just haven't gone far enough. Over 100 million traditional cartridges go to landfill every year. That's enough to fill 50 jumbo jets. Using your Phox filter is easy. Simply open the filter and start filling it up in the correct order. The Phox V2 is made of recycled food-safe plastic and glass to preserve that refreshing clean taste. There's one thing I hate, it's missing a delivery. But I don't have to worry about that. With Phox, my subscription sends out a refill in this tiny little pack, which goes straight through my letterbox. One thing they know about water is that people have different needs. That's why Phox gives you options. Maybe you want water without the nasties to make a great cup of coffee, or maybe you want water with added electrolytes and minerals for better hydration. Either way, take your pick. Phox's community of 6,000 customers said they wanted a more beautiful and sustainable way to drink. With your support, you can help make this product a game changer for a healthier planet and a healthier you. Drink clean.